Can you remove builder's dust from walls, ceilings, and air vents?
Yes, and this is one of the biggest reasons clients hire us for post-construction cleaning. Builder's dust is notorious for settling on every surface, including vertical and hard-to-reach ones like walls and ceilings, especially after plastering or sanding. Cornices, air vents, ducts and fan blades, window sills, architraves and skirting boards. We include these areas in our standard after renovation cleaning checklist using HEPA filter vacuums with extension poles, dust trapping microfiber cloths, safe surface cleaners that remove dust without streaking or damage, ladder access for high ceilings and light fittings. If you or someone in your home has allergies or asthma, it's especially important to book a thorough post-renovation dust removal, not just for appearance, but for health and air quality too.